Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to dive right into how to manage multiple workspaces on Asana, your complete 2025 guide. Let's start off by opening Asana. Now, in the top right corner, you'll see your profile picture. Click on that and a drop-down menu will appear. You're looking for the option that says More Workspaces. This is where all your workspaces are listed and where we can manage them. The reason we do this is to help us keep all our tasks and projects organized according to different teams, clients, or departments, making us more productive and efficient. Now that we've done that, let's create a new workspace. To do this, click on the plus New Workspace button. You'll be prompted to name your workspace and invite team members. Remember, a good workspace name should be clear and concise, as it helps us identify the purpose of the workspace at a glance. Inviting team members at this stage allows us to collaborate with them right away. Next up, we'll set up our projects within the workspace. Go to your newly created workspace and click on the plus New Project button. You can then name your project, add a description, and set its privacy settings. This helps us because it allows us to separate different tasks and objectives within the same workspace, keeping everything neat and organized. Now, let's talk about customizing your workspace. Click on your profile picture, choose the workspace you want to customize, and click on Settings. Here, you can change the workspace name, logo, and color theme. Customizing your workspace not only makes it visually appealing, but also helps differentiate it from other workspaces, especially when you're dealing with multiple ones. Lastly, let's discuss switching between workspaces. Click on your profile picture, and from the drop-down menu that appears, you'll see all your workspaces listed. Just click on the one you want to switch to. This is essential because it allows us to easily navigate between different workspaces without having to log out and log back in. And that wraps up our tutorial on managing multiple workspaces on Asana. With these steps, you're now fully equipped to keep your work organized and your productivity high. Thanks for joining us, and remember, Asana is all about making your work life easier and more efficient.